like, is this a museum?
Oh, it feels good in here too. Hello. Yeah, it is. Hi, how are you? Well, good. We're just walking around the train station out there.
Anything we can help find?
Just looking. It's been a long time since you've been here.
Museums open, charge.
Is the museum open?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. There's all kinds of fun stuff to do. So the museum's open and there's no charge, guys. You guys want to go? Who wants to go? Oh, okay. Where's the museum?
Down this hallway.
You can give donations if you want. Here we go. Wonder where that is.
Well, that's probably somewhere one of the creeks.
You know, it looks like that one place where we come down here and we went fishing. Or maybe it looks fancier. Oh, right here, upstream portal. What's a portal? And where's this? Aerial view of Paw Paw, West Virginia in 1968.
Oh, that is Paw Paw. That's the town of Paw Paw.
That's it right there?
Yeah, probably. Because right here as you come across.
Paw Paw's really small.
There's the Paw Paw tunnel, so actually, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, was we gonna go to the Paw Paw tunnel?
No, that's too far. See, that's probably the same place.
Downstream portal. Oh, so upstream portal. This is the opposite side.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool. Look at all this looks.
Who do you think owns the canal? All citizens of the United States own the canal, National Historic Parks. In fact, all Americans own all of our national parks. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Post-canal economy.
Cemeteries of 74 lift blocks carry the boat up and down the steep.
Look at that.
What's the old canal?
Oh, I remember this. This is where we went. You went fishing, right? Or when we went down,
I don't know if this is.
and you could only come down the.
I don't know if that's what. I'm not sure what part of this. This might be right out here.
This boat is headed downstream.
This is right here, then.
Must be the same as the level the boat has been traveling. Once the boat is inside the lock, it is tied out to snubbing posts to keep
It's
it
at the
from
lock house.
ramming and damaging the gates or the boat itself. Then the gates behind it are closed. A large balance beam is used to close the lock. Then a lock key opens the butterfly or wicket valves in the downstream gates, allowing the water to slowly drain out of the lock. As the water drains, the boat is gradually lowered to the next level.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you know how like Batty Mixon has that lock house.
Yeah.
Like,
Then the large wooden gates on
that's
the
probably where that's
downstream
at, then.
side can be opened. It has taken 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process, since operation is easier with 2 people. Having stepped down to a new water level, the boat will be hitched again to the mules, and the cargo and crew are on their way.
Well, that's crazy. Instead of having a slope to go down in the water. That's pretty neat. Oh, here's the boat, guys. Look at it. Well, it's a boat. We can walk inside the boat. Does it look like Noah's Ark? So here's the boat. And we are going to go inside, guys. Wow. This is pretty cool. Push button for program. What'd I do? Just turn it off? Oh, there it goes.
Life on the canal conjures images of lazy summer afternoons and sheer relaxation. But there's more to this story than meets the eye. From 1828 to 1850, the Chesapeake and Ohio Canal was painstakingly carved out from Maryland shore of the Potomac. This route westward held the promise of untapped resources and economic prosperity. It also permitted families to earn their livelihoods by transporting cargo on their boats up and down the canal. During the C&O Canal's heyday, over 500 boats navigated the 184-mile water highway night and day for commercial trade. While the pace was slow and steady at 4 miles per hour, 18-hour days were not uncommon. Even young children pitched in and were taught to steer the 90 to 95-foot-long canal boats. Canal children also tended one of the boat crew's hardest-working members, the mules. Teams of 2 or more mules pulled the cargo boats over all types of terrain, including the mountainous region of western Maryland. 74 locks lifted the boats over 600 feet up into this hilly terrain. The mule teams also crossed splendid stone-cut aqueducts that carried the boats over the Potomac's tributaries. Moving cargo along the canal depended on the good care given to the mules.
What's here? Look at the coal, because the trains went off of coal, guys. Is that real coal? I used to have a coal stove when I first moved up here. I hated it. Look at the outfits, guys. Who wants one? What's that?
He was the last mule.
Who was a mutt? Who was mutt?
Mutt was the last mule that worked on the canal pulling the boat.
Wow. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
It is. It's right. Pretty cool. This is all cooker.
Oh, yeah.
A waffle iron. Oh, they had waffle.
An old waffle iron?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think waffle irons were around for a long time. What's this? What is this?
Like this.
Oh, it's a little phone, but if y'all can't hear it, I guess. I could hear it. Yeah, but can't hear it on the camera.
Oh, these old buttons. All these old tools. Crazy looking.
Yeah, they are. Oh, let me get out of your way. All right, let's see this one. What is over 10,000 times longer than it is wide?
The C&O Canal. It is over 184 long from Cumberland to Georgetown and only 72 feet wide.
Wow. Well, check out all the old pictures.
How much water does it take to fill the canal? When the C&O Canal was complete, enough river water flowed into the canal to 350 million bathtubs.
Wow, 350 million bathtubs. Look at all the pictures, guys. People of the canal. I wonder if somebody's doing pictures now of people of the canal.
Not really, it's not really a canal anymore like it used to be. They don't haul stuff up and down there. That's before, you know, they had all the trucks and
Yeah.
shit like that.
Oh, here's one here. What does it say?
What has 74 locks but no door? The canal. The C&O Canal has 74 locks. A lock is used to move a boat from one level to another. The boat floats into a contained area with both gates closed. The boat is lowered by slowly emptying the water, or to rise the boat, water is added. Cool.
Yeah. I'm going to switch my battery, Tyler. Yeah, that's pretty hot.
No.
I'm hot. Here's another one of the things. Did we already do this one? How did the canal boat captain get the attention of the lock keeper?
The captain will blow a horn when arriving at the lock or before floating through the Paw Tunnel.
I know.
Cool.
Did we do that one way over there in the corner? Yeah, we did. Who do you think owns the canal? I did that one.
Who owns it?
All of us. Everybody.
Well, hell, look at my share.
I know, right?
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Yeah. All right, so that was the end of that. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
Take pictures. I know each folks are different. Yeah, but sorry. Of course. And we're open until 5. We open at 9 to 5. Different calls, so just not bad. Thank you. Sorry to see you.
Here's them old books, like when, I think we've seen a couple at the library
What, do you miss
with
this?
different things.
Do you miss this town now?
No.
You don't miss this town?
No, not at all. But Cumberland, Maryland has a lot of history. A lot of history. All right, I'm out of here.